Alright guys, welcome to today's last part of today's daily vlog, and we're just here to see the last of Kit today at the car show. Again, this is my favorite part. Look at that Kit from Knight Rider. And to think David Hasselhoff was in the whole TV show. Let's get a little roundabout view. There's his little lights right there when he talks. I think he's gonna talk for us. It looks like the sound effects from the show. Alright, Kit, is there anything else you want to say before we leave? No? Anything for your fans? Knight Rider fans? He might talk in a minute.
Unless I'm mistaken, didn't Mr. Miles say that no law enforcement agent had ever returned from there?
There we go.
Like all those tanks.
Let me get one more picture of this.
Michael, keep talking. I have to get a fix on your position.
Hang on. I'm just waiting patiently. There we go. Got a picture of Kit.
Bonnie, with those hands, you should have been a surgeon.
Sorry guys, I'm checking one more thing on my phone.
He felt so bad. Yeah. But I had the spray bottle in my hand and I just back then and I was wiping down the motor area. So I had it in my hand.
There we go. Sorry about that, guys. I want to take a few pictures of Kit. And there it is. Kit from Knight Rider.
He's in a state of shock, Michael.
Take care, Kit. You're always remembered. That is my favorite part of the car show. Seeing Kit from Knight Rider. My goodness.
I was helping out the youth of Chicago. If you could do some background while you enjoy it.
Oh my goodness, guys. What a day. What a day. We got to see some really cool cars, which are gonna go past by in a few minutes. And we got to see Kit from Knight Rider. Oh my gosh. So awesome. Tell me guys, what was your favorite part of today's daily vlog? My very first favorite part would have to be seeing Kit from Knight Rider, because I like watching Knight Rider from the very beginning, and I don't remember what episode I left off, but Kit would have to be my favorite car for today, including these a lot of old school cars from 1990s, I think, and 1900s. And I would have to say, I'm glad I came out to see these cars, because if I did not see these cars, I would not have got to see Kit. And that would have to be my favorite part. So we're just nearing the end as heading back home to relax. And tomorrow might be a Goodwill Garage Sale Find episode tomorrow. so I'm not too sure if there is gonna be one or not. If not, it could be a daily vlog instead. So I'm just gonna let this last part roll as we're headed back home.
Hey, Rod.
Yep, that looks like the end of today's daily vlog, guys. So that is it for today's daily vlog at the Linden downtown car show. I would have to say I had a great time seeing these wonderful vehicles here, and I'm glad I got to see this all with you guys, of course, because I can't leave out my subscribers on the big car show, and leaving you out would be awful. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's daily vlog, because I enjoyed it as much as you guys did. Be sure to post your comments down below of telling me what your favorite vehicles would have to be. Hang on, I'm just waiting for this car to pass by real quick. Yes, like I said, be sure to post in the comments section, what was your favorite part of seeing of all these vehicles today? I had a really fun time seeing Kit and all the other vehicles, and as always, remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.